I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart.
Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm doing a power hour, which I love, trying to get as much as I can done in 1 hour. So if you want to join me, I would love for you to clean along with me or just watch this for a little bit of motivation. I have a list of things ready to go, so set your timer and let's get started.
Till we grow old, please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set
Today I'm starting off by making our bed. It's typically the first thing I do in the morning. I'm then going to dust off our shelves in the bedroom and then move on to the kitchen.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun.
I'm going to give the bed a quick spray with my linen spray and then take off everything on my dresser so I can give it a good dusting.
World's on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world
So as you can see, I have my list here of things I'd like to get done within an hour. My bedroom, now we're moving on to the kitchen. I'm going to put some dishes away, clean off the counters and the table, and then move on to the living room.
No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access.
So I'm just getting everything cleaned up from breakfast this morning, putting all the dishes in the dishwasher, cleaning out the sink. I had a few extra pots from last night that I left, and just getting everything cleared away for the day to start.
And in my prime, start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown.
I'm moving a little faster than I thought I would, so I thought I would go ahead and clean off the stove. It was a little dirty from last night, so just giving it a quick little scrub and then moving on to the island. So when I clean my stove, I like to start by using a wet towel and getting all of the extra crumbs that may have fallen and just give it a nice wipe down. Then I take my thieves cleaner, give it a good spray, and do one last clean.
That courage, 'cause you can handle my game. No, my drive's a puzzle. I got you so bumfuzzled, 'cause you can fall into my pain. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a flag to get up in your. We love discharging. Not gonna waste my time.
right, we're getting more stuff crossed off the list. We're doing good.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up.
Table's a little messy. The kids were doing some crafting. I think I see a spare pair of pajamas on the table, so I'm going to get that all cleaned up and wiped off.
Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer.
All right, it's time to move on to the living room. We're doing well with time, so we're going to fold up these blankets, going to do some vacuuming, a little bit of dusting, and we're almost done.
Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
Going to clean up the guest bathroom real quick. This bathroom gets used quite a bit. It's the one right beside our garage, so everybody is in there all the time. So we're going to wipe it down really well, and then the hour is almost up.
Stronger than I ever been. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities.
Okay, our power hour is about up. We got a lot done. Place looks great. Now I can go run my errands, and 1 minute to spare. Thanks for joining me on this power hour today. I'm going to go throw this load of laundry in, get my jacket on, and head out for a few errands. So I will see you next time.